You're driving down the road and enjoying your MG, the scenery, and then all of a sudden, bam! Your car breaks down.
Alternator, this sucks.
And in this video, I will share with you on what to do.
Well, I am, as you can see, I'm on the side of the road and the hood is up, which is not a good sign. So basically everything was driving really fine. All of a sudden the car died. But the way it sounded, I knew pretty much that the battery probably went dead on the car. And the battery's only a year or 2 years old. But anyway, make a long story short, without the battery, the engine won't run. And the engine was running really great. And so here I am, about just crossed over the border into Nova Scotia, about 30 kilometers to the east. So I got a tow vehicle coming out and they're gonna try to give a start. And then I'll head back to Amherst and get a new battery and test to see if that alternator is working. And it's a brand new alternator. This sucks. So I'm gonna miss my ferry to Newfoundland, and which also means I won't be able to catch a ferry over until Friday. But I am determined to make this trip.
My plan before I left on my trip was to be towed over to any parts store that I could find. And the reason for that is that I have the capability to order parts and have them shipped overnight. This is Saint Teresa. Not really, but she was a saint to me. This young lady is the one who was responsible for finding the alternator to help me to get back out on the road. And believe me, finding an alternator in Nova Scotia was not the easiest thing. Now it's time to talk shop. I have a great set of tools at home, but out on the road, I bought a cheap set from Harbor Freight and it worked perfect. St. Teresa found a Wilson 43 amp alternator and I was happy to get it. Remember, you have an adjustable sleeve that can position the alternator on its mount. Don't forget, the bolt that attaches onto the bracket goes into the single hole. Make sure the belt is lined up straight and not on an angle. And always remember to improvise, adapt, and overcome, because shit happens. And thank you for joining us at MGB Trippin'.